Hey everybody, so today we're going to be talking about the Tacklife laser rangefinder. This particular rangefinder goes up to 900 yards. It's got range, speed, scanning model. It's USB charging, so you don't have to change out the battery, and it's got a 1/4-inch mounting thread for your hunting, spotting. We just came back from an elk trip and it worked perfect for that. This is what it looks like. This is about how big it is. It doesn't weigh hardly anything at all whatsoever. It comes with this wrist strap. As always, I put 550 cord on it and I just tack it to my vest so that I don't lose it. It does come with this hard zipper case so that you can pop right in here, it'll hold in here. You can put anything else in here that you want to put in. I keep some small, it doubles as like first aid kit for me as well. However, I did bring my instructions because it was new for me. I'm used to using the old rangefinder, but after about 10 minutes, I was up to speed and I was ready to go. This is how you charge it. It's just like anything else. You're just gonna plug it right in to your system right there and plug it into the wall, and then that's it. I plugged it in, charged it before I left. I went on 2 different trips and I still haven't charged it, and it's still reading full battery. And that was up at higher elevations, out in the snow, not snow, but out in the very cold, down to 25 degrees, and in the heat it was getting to be up in the high 80s in some places. You can see the optics that are in there. It's very well built. It's got these grips on the side so that you don't drop it. It feels good in your hand when you're just bringing it up to your eye. It has plus and minus on your eye, so when you're adjusting, the numbers are very easy to read on the inside. You can have it either in yards or meters. It shows the distance. It catches your speed. That's something I'm gonna have to work with as far as being able to learn how to use it. But I absolutely do love it. I'm glad that I picked it up. Got that 3-mode toggle for range, speed, scanning. Changes freely. You just hit it, and that's it. The convenient USB charging makes it easy. The battery is a 750 rechargeable lithium battery. It can be it can be used 30,000 times after a full charge, so that's why you don't have to really charge it. It charges with that micro USB, which is included. Just put it into any old charging port. Use your telephone, use your computer port, whatever it is, and you're done. It's lightweight, it's portable, it's got that 1/4-inch tripod screw hole so that you can just stick it in there and leave it be. You don't have to hold it. If you're like we were out there with elk, you can just leave it standing on a tripod or one of those mini tripods, throw it on the hood of your truck, and you're good to go. It's got excellent accuracy. The magnification objective is 7x24. The range measure is within plus or minus 1 yard, and it can transform the units between meters and yards. All you do is just simply hit the mode button. So you have your power button, which is all you do is hit to check out your yardage, and then mode if you're going to change anything. But for the most part, once you get it set up, you don't need to change it at all. The streamlined, it's handheld, this soft rubber is perfect, and the arch, it's got a slight arch which helps sit into the palm of your hand. Makes it feel like you're not even holding anything. So it works perfect. It's dust proof, it's splash proof, not rain proof, but it's dust proof and it is splash proof. So I was out there, didn't mind if it got wet a little bit, it still worked. It is a laser product, it's class 1. Don't stare into the beam, don't shoot it at somebody's eyes. So normal laser safety, but it doesn't project an actual laser to the point to like a laser pointer, so you're not gonna see it. You just don't turn around and stick it into your eye. In the fog though, because it is a laser pointer, the accuracy is going to be affected, but in fog you are going to be limited visibility anyway. You can't use it for like glass or water surfaces. It works by sending that signal back once that laser hits whatever the target is that you're putting it on, and it measures the distance that way. It has to be though within 3 meters for it to be actually used to work. Yeah, it worked perfectly. Didn't have any issues with it at all whatsoever. Doesn't weigh anything at all. The elevation, the ranging height and horizontal distance is something that works perfect, especially when you're up in the hills. That 3.7 battery that charges into any normal USB port works greatly. So there you go. It is the Tacklife laser rangefinder. Goes up to 900 yards and got that mounting bracket. It's a plus for me. All right, so you guys have a nice one.